Hello, my name is Hector. Welcome back to Antimatter Chemistry. How is everyone doing? Hope you're all doing well, having a good old day. I'm trying to make some clay. Can I not? Yeah, there we go. Oh man, can I not? Wow, this not a good start. There we go. There it is. I'm trying to make some of this. There we go. Bam, bam, and bam. So that we can make some clay and progress onwards. Sorry I've not been around. Stuff happened, but we're back. How is everyone doing? Hope you're all doing well, having good times. Let's do that. There we go. Bam. That's a little bit more clay because we need it for grout. There we go. So we've got the 10 clay. So if you remember, we went to the old deep dark. We got some ores. We need a block of bronze. A block of bronze. Okay, and I think basically you can make bronze with tin and copper. I know that much. Oh, we don't need any of that. Can I do that? Oh, I don't have one for that. Okay. Oh, that is, I didn't realise. And we've got no things for this either. We've got some starch and triglyceride. Of course we do. Let's just whack that in there for now. You can make dust, like the tin and thingy dust. Copper. Let's just do copper. There we go. Where are you? You can make it in the chemical combiner using just copper. So that's basically how we can make a block. So obviously we'll be needing to make bronze. So uses, can we not? Let's see. It is the same, isn't it? I'm guessing. Bronze blend. Yeah, so we need 3 times as much copper as we do tin, which is annoying because I have a lot more tin than I do copper. But basically we can do that. There we go. Get a lot of copper like that, and that should actually do us, frankly. And let's go back in here. Copper dust. There we go. So, well, let's see. So if let's do that. That's 12. There we go. And then, ooh, is that going to be, tin is SN. Okay. I wonder what that stands for. I have no idea. Normally, with I know lead is PB, plumbium or whatever. So a few of these I know. Tin, I have no idea what that is. I keep doing dust. I should just do tin. Dust? No, tin. What is it called? Oh, it's pulverized. That's why. There it is. Just 16. Okay, so that is 2. We need a little bit more, don't we? Yes, we need 3. Bam. There we go. Bam. I won't do all of this on camera, but I thought we'd do a little bit. Just a little bit together. So we got that, basically. Bam. That gets us that. 16 of that. Basically do a bit of that. And that is enough to get us a block. Pretty much. I will just wait for all of this to do its thing. Are you not? Oh, there we go. And then, yeah, we'll be back because basically with that we can make, well, grout, I'm guessing we'll need to make. Yeah, look at that. So I will get started on this, and obviously I'm guessing they've given us enough, they've made us make enough clay so that we can make enough grout. I'm guessing. So that is all the stuff that we'll need to make. And we get a little bit more seared brick and the stuff. But I'm excited. We can actually smeltery. That's progress. There we go. That should just about do it. Man, that took a while to get all of these. I always forget. Whenever I do the Tinker Smeltery, I always forget how many seared bricks it takes to get the actual brick form. Now, I know once you get a smeltery going, you can use cobble. You can use cobble to do it. So, and I should, yeah, that should have finished that. Bam, bam, bam. Lovely stuff. So that just gives us a little bit more. So, we'll do that and then just do that to create this. There we go. There we go. That's what we needed. There we go. And you here. There we go. Lovely stuff. And let's just go in, just so I can do it. Yep. Boom. And then do we have... Yes, we have enough. There we go. Bam. Lovely stuff. So this is clearly... There we go. The one that we were meant to make. Oh, I forgot about my slime boots. There we go. Lovely. You get you. And one last bit of cobble. There we go. We've got a smeltery. Nice. There we go. No lava as of yet. But we do... I wonder, can we make lava? Is that a thing that we can do? Can we... No, we can't. Okay. Wasn't sure. Was not sure. So, now we've finally got that. There's a few things that we can make. Osmium and manganese ingot. Okay. Valid items for 2 manganese. Right. What? I'm confused. Okay, fine. Manganese. Okay. Where do we get that from? From different... Oh, granite. So we've probably already got some then, I'm guessing. Okay, oh yeah, 10% from that. Do we have that? Do we have that? Let's have a gander. MG, can we... Yes, we have. Is that the one? Oh, hang on. Is that right? Let's go back. I don't know why I'm looking at this. I know this is the drop of evil. We should probably be looking at cyan antimatter and yellow antimatter, which gets us scantium and indium, which means that we can make a device frame. So if you look at that, you can see this is how we get a device frame. Very different recipe. Very different recipe. And that, a machine frame. Basically the same thing. And that then obviously allows us to get some proper machines, you know, which is quite nice. That would be nice. We need to get steel. Okay. But getting some machines going, that would obviously, that's a big progression in modded Minecraft, is getting some machines. So cyan antimatter, that is barium. Okay. And how much we need to make 64 of that, and sulfur. So barium, do I have that? Oh, I totally do. And what about sulfur? Yes. Yes, so I just need the white antimatter. We've got a little bit. I'm going to have to go grab some more. And I'm going to want to get some lava in here as well so that we can start using this. And I don't really understand what this is. Create 2 osmium and manganese ingots. Okay. Osmium, how do we get that? Diorite, osmium. So I think we have to get it. I think we have to get it from diorite, which is that the only way? I know, we can get it from silicon dioxide. Cool. Cool beans. Okay. I suppose I get some more antimatter, and I will get some of this done. Exciting times here. So, eventful times. I've done all of these things, and it's weird. It says like collect 4 indium ingots and 4 scantium, but then it says craft 4 machine frames, which you need 2 of each for. So you need double the amount that they say. A bit weird, but there you go. Now, to make a tin gear, we have to cast it. So we have to make a cast first. So that's what I'm up to now. So I have got myself a stone gear. There we go. And I've got some lava. Went and got 2 buckets. And this is, I believe, how we should do this. I think we can just do it with 1, because 1 gold ore should be 2 gold ingots, basically. So that should be enough to make the cast, from what I remember. Getting lava in the nether, I always think it's going to be easy, and it isn't, because obviously the lava is like right down at the bottom. You have to find a way down there. So, right, that should, yeah, there we go, 2 ingots worth. Cast that. There we go. So that should make that. Should make it no problems. There we go. Right, so, and this is a forge 4 tin gears. Now, I don't know, there we go. I don't know how many it takes to make, oh, that's really fast. Well, we shall see. So this is 4 ingots worth. So 2 ores, how, it's not casting. Guys, it's not casting. It's not casting. Four ingots. Yeah, that is 4 ingots. Why? Okay, that was weird. I don't know why that did it. Okay, so that is a tin connecting gear. There we go. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So that will do it. That will be our 4 gears. And I've got some glass. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Glass being smelted. Boom. So we can do all of this together. Very exciting times. There we go. Right. And I haven't hooked this up to anything exciting yet. This is just the nuts and bolts, you know. Very simple, because we're simple people still. We don't even have any machines. We don't have renewable energy really, except for, you know, coal. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted. Which I keep having to resupply. So it'd be nice at some point now to like start automating the water, start automating energy. I'm hoping that this will allow us to do that. There we go. And a bit gutting that none of these have like rewards. I'm like, I feel like bereft every time I complete something, and I don't get a reward. Right, so machine frames. Machine frames, we should be able to create 4. So let's dump that in. Let's dump these in. Let's dump that in. 4 machine frames. There we go. Still no rewards. Still no rewards. Bereft, I tells you. So a compactor, phytogenic insulator, okay, a pulverizer, and an induction smelter. Okay. Those are not necessarily ones that I would have thought we'd be making. That is interesting. Very interesting. Okay. I suppose I'll make these. So, more bronze, more copper. And magnesium ingots. Now, I didn't actually try making that. So, right, let's have a gander at this. Yes, magnesium ingots, okay. Is that all we have to do? It seems a bit easy. There we go. Bam. Is that? Or have I read that wrong? Totally read that wrong. Manganese. Right. Sure. Where do we get that from? From lots of stuff. Magenta antimatter. Okay. Lots still to do then. I would like to get those at the very least. Those 4 machines. That would be rather nice. So I've been busy. So I've made a clock, and so far I've got the pulverizer. And I was looking, you know, like no rewards for that, and phytogenic insulator will get phytogrow, but like I've not really been using too much of that. So I thought, you know what, I'll concentrate on the induction smelter. And this came up with a few interesting things. So first of all, we need arsenic, which we don't have. And second of all, lumium. Which is made by alloying tin, silver, and energized glowstone. Energized glowstone, it looks like we can only really get from a magma crucible, basically, or like other things like a melter, but obviously we don't have that. So I've had to make a magma crucible. It's just, I don't know. I feel like there could have easily been like a magma crucible there before the induction smelter. I don't know. A little bit odd maybe. But there you go. So I had to make one of these. There we go. We've got quite a bit now. I've also just made some beetroot, and I've got a bone. I don't even know where I got that from, but I want to pulverize this. So I made beetroot seeds, which you can do fairly easily, and that is because I want to make pink dye. There we go. Oh, actually, there we go. 1, 2, like that, and like that. Bam. There we go. Right, pink dye. Lovely stuff. Get a little bit of pineapple pizza. That's pretty good. So you need that for the arsenic. So I do believe that if we put that through, we get arsenic sulfide. There we go. And then we use that to get arsenic. And how many of these? Oh, wow. What? Wait. 16 of these to make 1 ingot. Oh, man. Oh, man. That's surely not enough. Is it? Oh no, it is. It's more than enough. Okay, cool. Phew. So many times, I swear. I look stuff up and then it just. There we go. 1, 2, bam. Excellent. Right. So now we have that. So let's put that in there. I don't know. I've got a lot of got mercury, arsenic, and indium. I need to make some more of these things. I've made some more copper gears. And, oh, is that like half full? Oh, that is irritating. Okay. I will look to just make that one so that we have one more. That would be good. And then, induction smelter. Man. Induction. The last thing we need, right, lumium. So, lumium is energized glowstone, a bit of silver, and a bit of tin. Okay. Okay, silver and tin. We can do. I've got silver, I've got tin. Yes, excellent. So I just need a little bit more copper to get that, and then we have the induction smelter. And that's mainly so that we can kind of get towards this side, because I'm guessing we're not going to make it to the Atum, Land of the Sands, today in this episode. That's going to have to wait until next episode. But it would be nice to just get a little bit down this end so that we get a bit ready. Ooh, wow, energy sacrifice. Wow. Okay, and a water sacrifice. Wow. Okay, that's going to be interesting. 10 million. Oof, that is a lot. Well, interesting. Yeah, and then we've got Drop of Evil. I don't know. We'll see. Let me do the copper, and then we'll get an induction smelter. That's focus on the short-term goals. Right. We are, yes, boom. Wow. That seemed to take basically forever. We get 64 sand. So next we need steel. And then we get a stack of steel basically. So what do we need for this? How do we make the steel? Oh, so yeah, I would have thought it was basically iron and pulverized, charcoal, I suppose. To make steel. Is there other ways? So, yeah, iron and charcoal. Yeah. So why have we got loads of sand, really? I'm just trying to figure out if there's, if I'm missing something. If I'm missing a way of getting that. It doesn't look like it particularly. I don't think we'll get to do all of that, but it would be nice to get to the steel today. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my trusty spruce tree over here. There we go. This is how we do it. How much there we go. We get that, get more of that, do more of this. There we go. And more of you. Any? Not that time. Not that time. We always get a stack of spruce wood, which is interesting. So I'm going to put that in there. Obviously, get the charcoal. We've got a pulverizer, which is great. Oh, I had to make a tank as well. You can't bucket out of the magma crucible. So I had to make a portable tank just to be able to do that. But now we can. So let's do, have I got, there it is. Yep. There we go. Bam. Like that. And then you there we go. Wall of machines. And basically, yeah, I've got quite a lot of iron. Look at that. Look at all the iron. In fact, let's just dump some in here. Because we can. There we go. Bam. Not that much of that left. 3 iron ingots. No, what, silver? Yes. Let's just dump a bit of that. Do that so you can do stuff. And then yeah, I'll be making some steel. That's what I'm going to be up to in the intermediate time. Right then, we are at the end. Look at this. This takes forever because you have to make so much charcoal. It takes 4 pulverized charcoal for each iron ingot, so it takes a while. So I've had stuff going for ages. There we go. Look at that. Let's do that, and let's do that. Yeah. So I got my other furnaces out again, and got these out, and then I've been, topping this up as well, because obviously more machines means using more power, okay, we're all right, we're okay, and there we go, boom, that is 48 steel ingots, and then as a reward we got another we get another 16, making a stack. But I think that's going to be it for today. I think hopefully we can get a bit of this done, get into a bit of that, and maybe, I'm guessing, make a drop of evil, sulfur, and, oh yeah, okay, that looks very doable. That looks really doable. Interesting. I wonder why we need that first. Okay, well, we can go through that next episode, maybe make ourselves a cheeky little mob farm. I quite like the idea of that. I think that would probably help us out quite a bit as well. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you're still enjoying the series as much as I am. Thanks for bearing with me in the brief hiatus. We're back to normal now. So thank you so much. I've been Hector. This has been Antimatter Chemistry. Do like and comment and subscribe and thing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.